Alright guys, welcome to my vlog. Today I'm with my cousins. Like,
Bro, you're not recording. Ano kita? Ano sinabi? Hindi ko kita.
by any chance, by the way, by any chance, you have an exam known as OL.
Sabihin mo
Right?
chat. Sabihin mo he's too old to chat with me. Bayan, wala akong ng puro lock. So, tingin nga, makikichismis ako.
Okay. Without
You can do nothing. You do nothing.
Alright. You know what? Let's go to the vlog.
Diba na? Doon tayo sa baba. Dito lang.
Kuya, you hate this map, right? Kanina.
Tapos ano?
This one.
Gusto nyo mag-video ko?
Pwede naman.
Tara, dito tayo.
Tara, doon tayo sa baba. Hi, girlie!
Dito lang. Ayaw mo, sige.
The first person that I see, I will shoot.
Innocent ka talaga.
I know.
Okay guys, action. 3, waya.
Oh, okay. Rafa, what's your name?
Hindi pa talaga.
Rafa, what's your full name?
No, Jem, do not ask that.
Oh, fine.
Still there.
Fine.
3 to 1.
Bro, I said just introduce.
Hello guys. Back.
He's with. Yeah, and I'm vlogging. Bro! Yung small abitar! Yung small abitar yung merd!
I get it. Yes. Oh my gosh.
Uy, nakita nyo yun?
It's the
Yeah, I know. Yeah, the YouTuber.
YouTuber.
Yeah, he's a fake YouTuber, right, guys? I'm a YouTuber.
Me too. Oh my gosh, he's camping.
Camping. Bro!
Is he camping?
Yeah, he's camping.
Oh my gosh, I hate campers.
Same.
Plus small avatars.
True. What should I buy, y'all?
Heck no.
Should I
Let's go back.
You
Oh no,
buy
that's
that?
my gun.
or this or this or this?
Oh my gosh, I hate this game.
Just tell into the comments,
Oh my gosh, I hate you.
and I'll save up.
Oh my gosh, this is an edit. Ew, I hate you.
By the way, can you subscribe first before this continued?
Yeah.
Just subscribe though, guys.
But just hide. Do not interact with him, or her, or she, or him, or non-biological.
I'm hiding.
Oh my gosh, you can. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna use that Rafa. I'm gonna use the avatar that Rafa gave me.
Lol. Oh my gosh.
Rafa, look what the avatar.
Look at her.
Oh my God, my Shayla. Wait, guys.
Oh my gosh, pictures up.
Oh my God, my Shayla. Wait.
You camping plus.
Bro, you're a small avatar.
I hate you. Oh my gosh, guys, can you? Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Wait. No, my face got leaked. Oh my gosh.
How many subscribers am I gonna? I'm gonna face reveal on 20 subscribers.
Liam, look, I got this effect.
Okay, that's cool.
You don't
I will
really.
face-
Bruh, whatever.
Guys, ignore that. I will just edit it out. No.
Yeah, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording though.
Me too. Video in a video. Oh my gosh, bro. Are they teaming? Or
Except for me, I'm not recording. Fine, I'm recording right now.
Oh my gosh, you guys are all recording.
Just kidding, I'm not recording.
Oh my gosh, it's so hard to make him. Jam, have you ever made? Jam, have you ever made
They gotta be kidding, right?
Yeah.
No. They try to.
This map, I hate you, and it hates me. I get bad luck in this map.
Ah! No, please.
Super OA.
No.
What's the point?
Timer ended.
Diyan na kayo, ha? Diyan na lang kayo.
Oh, I got lucky.
Hello. The gun.
Bro, I don't want to. Oh, I got lucky. I got lucky.
Ignore all of that, okay?
I got lucky. Yeah, guys. Ignore all of that.
Ignore the...
First people I see, I will shoot
Oh
them.
my gosh, that's a diamond deal. There's already people shooting.
Okay? Oh, I found the merd. Noise. I don't suck.
I think it's a network.
Hoy, may effect yung may effect. Siya. Mama had a bunch of crunch cakes.
Ignore all the people talking.
Yeah, guys. Ignore that.
Akin na lang?
No problem. Yeah, sure.
Wait, how do I get out?
I need the godly gun. Godly. Gunly.
I have no gold reason.
Wow, where's your blood?
I think it's
Did it got steal? Did it got stole to you? Did you just got hacked? Can I give the gun? I mean, I have good aim. Bro, what? Bro, why do you always need that? Kuya Zach, go.
Ako ginawa na, di bago. Tapos, akin na yung mga bigyan 1,000 sila.
Oh my god.
Tapos, oo.
Thank God that wasn't
Wala
you.
yung mga pang-connect. Akin na yan.
Oh my gosh.
Siyempre, pag pinag-bidding, wala namang...
Oh my gosh! It was the YouTuber guy.
Oh my gosh, why is it getting lucky?
I don't know, right? I don't know.
Are you joking him? Dang.
Who was the sheriff?
They died. Oh, I found the gun. No, it's not true.
Ano mo, parang ano yung karera daw. Hindi yung dream kong...
Bro, how easy is that? Spam jumper wears a diaper, bro.
I'm pink, di ba?
Spam jumper wears a diaper, bro. Bro's hiding.
Pero nanonood ako minsan ng live nila. Oo, nasa Japan na.
Nice! But from earlier, you keep missing. Okay?
Oh, where'd you avatar?
Ipagawa mo yan, tapos
Hey.
Leave a new avatar.
Bro, it's not summer anymore.
hindi ko malaga.
It's not summer anymore. Nice knife.
Bruh. What is it now? Valentine's? Okay, now.
Tapos si ano
This
ko
very... Ay, did Valentine's end or not yet?
It end, bro. Bakit ka nakapaa? Bing!
Sheriff!
You got lucky this time.
I'm getting lucky in this map.
And I'm
I got lucky to that to
I'm not getting even luck, bro. I'm not getting luck.
everyone has no luck.
Except for me. Except for me, bro. I don't have luck.
Oh, you scare me. Okay, prove me. Okay.
Gusto ko. Pero ano ko nung isali lang ko na ready.
I'll sacrifice. He's innocent. She's innocent. I don't know. I feel like Rafa's merged.
Ay, si Girlie. Ay, nagulat ako sa'yo. Guys, dito.
Let's go downstairs.
Ay, sorry po.
So it's
Para pa sa'yo si Girlie.
I just got killed.
same here. Bro, get down.
Oh my gosh, it's a small button.
Guys, I thought we were going back down.
Wait. Oh my gosh, the hitbox. I hate this game.
Yeah.
This game sucks.
Yeah.
I hate this game so much.
Yeah.
I have no luck, bro. Guys, if I always get innocent. If I don't get sheriff or murderer, I'm lucky.
All right.
Also meet my viewers. Can you say hi? Hey, can you say hi? Hi. Okay, that's my other cousin, guys. Her name is Lance.
This is my sister. Say hi.
So,
Say hi.
he's going to be in a future video.
Say hi, bro.
What map is it?
Say hi. Hi. All right. That's Lance Mice.
That's her.
Come here, Niall. Guys, I'm doing the Gapna style for luck.
All right.
Let's go.
Sheriff again, I got luck.
Bruh, I'm so unlucky right now.
Thank you, Nicholas.
Nicholas hates us.
Nicholas hit me.
Except for me, that's you. That's a you problem.
Proof.
Yeah.
Give me proof.
No.
Proof.
It's
Ayun.
the guy.
Oh, nice shot. Nice shot.
I'm just unlucky. This is not enough. Bro, what are the chances?
It's all right.
Game today,
Like, every...
except for the 2 earliers.
I always get unlucky, bro.
I hope I get murder. When I get murder, I will go silent. That's my luck. 3, 2, 1. Please give me murder.
Oh, what the hell is that dance? Give me sheriff.
Give me sheriff. Give me sheriff. Not enough time.
Give me sheriff. You got lucky this time, bro. Pinky up is not lucky, bro. All right. Here. I'm innocent.
No, you're innocent.
Oh, I feel like Wizak's the murderer, bro. Like, I'm serious.
I'm the murderer.
Bro, I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb, X. I told you, I'm not dumb.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. I'm not dumb, X, bro. Rafa, it's alright, bro. It's gonna be good. I hope you good aim. You have good. Uy, pingi ako.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, this is a spam jumper.
Not spam jumper.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
spam jumper versus diaper.
That's weird.
Watch me. That's something weird.
Come here.
Bruh! No! I always get unlucky. Of course, I'm unlucky. It's because I don't have a small avatar. And I'm unlucky, bro.
Look, I'm gonna get.
I never get a chance, bro.
I'll get sheriff if I dance this in real life.
Okay.
Guys, what if murder mystery was in real life? Guys, you met my older cousin, so my other youngest sibling is going to be in the future video. With a surprise. Where the frick is the last one? They got the gun.
Jimmy, you know why you don't see me wear pants? Look, this is the pants.
Alright.
Yellow.
Uy, Kuya Zo, camper?
What?
I'm not a camper.
Jim, can I do this again for good luck? Because I got t-shirt last night.
Spam jumper naman.
Currently, it's almost going to be.
Pinky up. Up.
When are you going to show? When are you
Bro!
going to show up in your videos? When I have the time. Oh, okay.
Alright,
We
be!
will
Hey, you chill!
have video with Lance Mice. So technically, it's 5 of us, but my other youngest sibling hasn't been introduced yet, so she will be in the future videos.
Yeah.
But currently, there's 3 of us.
No, I got...
Lucky again!
Prove me. Prove me, prove me.
Oh my gosh, thank you, Nicholas. 4 times in a row.
Show me.
Give me the gun.
Prove it.
No, Jim.
Prove it.
You're jealous.
Oh.
Why are you getting closer, Rafa? Suspicious. Guys, let's start our nicknames now. I'm the.
What do you mean?
Okay. Polita sa'yo na bird.
No.
Um,
I don't wanna
Here,
give
number.
proof. I don't wanna give proof.
I don't want to give.
guys, look.
I'm a Obi.
Guys, look.
Oh, I saw the bird!
Bro, I'm so lucky I got kicked first, bro.
Look.
I'm so lucky I got kicked first, bro.
I hate this bird. I hate this. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god!
Dang!
Hitbox! Oh my...
Oh my gosh, why does he get run over?
Jim.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna block him.
If they're using small vitals, then just use a small vital.
No, I wanna use
Oh my gosh, he's
glitches.
a camper.
Yeah, I know, right?
I hate him. I mean him. Excuse me.
Excuse you. Fine.
Oh my gosh. The last one is AFK. He's dead.
What?
He's cool.
If he doesn't move...
Excuse me.
If he doesn't move, he's gay.
Hey! You support LGBTQ?
Camper! Manana...
Hey, Balites, do you support LGBTQ?
Who's that?
Nothing. Okay.
Like and subscribe if you like
He's moving.
Kansai.
He's so dead. He's running. He's walking to his death.
This is the end.
This is the saddest.
Bro, they're teaming!
No, they're not. The round ended.
Oh. I thought they would stay.
Sabi niya, I'm sorry.
What? I'm sorry?
Oo.
How dare them?
Tapos sabi ng teammate niya, okay.
Yung egg?
See, I told you they were teaming.
Yung egg?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys, we found
Guys, I
teamers.
told you, no. Guys, I told you were. Guys, I was no. They were teaming, bro. I told you guys. I told you.
Guys, we're going to be teamers now.
Okay.
3v2.
But also, don't kill me if you're this.
Then you can chat with them.
Guys, even if James the murderer to the Apple Sheriff, don't kill, and also well
I'm gonna dance on his face. Oh my gosh, no, guys.
Ping! Oh, I got lucky!
Okay, Cher, I think my limit is here.
Wow. Such unlucky, bro. I'm so unlucky.
I hit the egg.
I already got one share for the time ends. I
Guys,
just
kasi,
died.
guys, first person challenge.
Okay.
First person movie. Yeah, are you, Polites, are you in
I got lucky though.
Okay, I'm gonna call you Polly for now. I'm gonna call Rafa Tuki, and you guys call me Ben. Alright.
What you guys call me again?
Tuki, are you first person?
Yeah, look.
I thought you were the god, but it's your stupid tail. I'm gonna break your tail. Come back here.
Yeah.
No.
Jay! I mean, Polly!
How did I miss that?
That was so easy to miss.
Oh my.
What's my number? Boing, 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 boing.
Later if I die, bro.
I don't be sorry. Oh my god!
Bro's camping, bro's camping. Good aim, good aim. Bro said damn.
This is the end. I think this is the limit. So, bye guys. Bye guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye guys. Subscribe.
Bye.